How would you describe your relationship with Irish?
I have a complicated relationship with Irish. So one is that like a scrollum Gaeilge, mar gach duine eile, and then also I'm a little bit afraid of it because I wish I had more and I wish I could remember more. But I have found that since doing the work as ambassador, mar Seachtain Gaeilge Energy, that I have found that I'm remembering more than I thought. There's more in there than I thought.
What advice would you give to anyone hoping to return to Irish?
Oh, great question. So what advice would I give to somebody coming back to the language? I would say to have a bit of confidence, because I think as Irish people we're really lacking in confidence. We totally underestimate ourselves and how much we know. So just to give it a whirl and not to be afraid of it. You know, I do hear people saying, oh, you know, I'm kind of scared to speak it in case somebody corrects me, but you know, people don't do that if you're speaking English, and if they do, you need to cut that person out of your life immediately. So it's got nothing to do with the Gaeilge. So I would say have confidence, you know more than you think.
So why did you agree to be a Seachtain Gaeilge Energy Ambassador?
Why did I agree to be a Seachtain Gaeilge ambassador? Well, I suppose first of all, I love Gaeilge. I do. I'm living in a Gaeltacht area. I'm trying to raise my kids with as much Gaeilge as I can. So it was a pure joy when I was asked to do it, because I do have a real interest in the language. And yeah, I was just delighted. Plus, I've always wanted to be an ambassador because I'm really interested in travelling. So was excited about my future in diplomacy.